friendly handyman. See how the gate is sagging? It's way too wide. So I pick up this kit at Home Depot, anti-sag gate kit. It's a cable. It comes with all the hardware. And I'll show you how to repair it. Pretty much you're going to get the cable. You're going to fish it through. Put this hardware, tighten it up. Put this together just like that.
Keep going this way.
And there's the other part, the two corners. That corner and that corner. And then once you get it on there, then you can start tightening this thing up right here. So I'm going to use my little present wrench as I start to get it tight. And it should just start picking up this fence and sliding. Tighten it, tighten it, tighten it. Oh, here's it just tightens up the cable. How much are you going to charge? 10 grand? Butter. Videos like this, subscribe. I'll show you some more handyman tips. Peace out, family.